Someone just accessed a live security camera feed. They can see the living room, the front door, they can hear the conversations inside, and the owner has absolutely no idea. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, and at the end, I will show you the 3 steps that make your camera completely invisible to hackers. Stay until the end, because step 3 is the one most people skip. This is not a rare attack. Right now, there are over 73,000 home security cameras publicly exposed on the internet. Cameras in living rooms, bedrooms, baby monitors, all accessible to anyone who knows one website. That website is called Shodan. Shodan scans the entire internet and finds every device that is publicly exposed. When you buy a security camera and plug it in, it comes with a default password set by the manufacturer. For millions of cameras, that username is admin, and the password is admin, or 134, or 13456. Most people never change it. Hackers know this, so they search Shodan for exposed cameras, find the login page, type admin, and they are in, watching your home live in under 30 seconds. Now, here are the 3 steps that fix this completely. Step 1, open your camera app right now. Go to settings and change the default password. Make it at least 12 characters. If you watched my last video, you already know exactly how to create one that cannot be cracked. Step 2, update the firmware. Go to settings, find firmware or software update and install it. Outdated firmware means known vulnerabilities, and those vulnerabilities are already listed publicly. Step 3, the one most people skip. Disable remote access if you never check your camera from outside your home. Go to settings, find remote access or P2P, and turn it off. A camera with no remote access cannot be found on Shodan. It disappears from the list completely. Your camera is supposed to protect your home. Don't let it become the easiest way in.